Ever tried running a server or app on Windows 11 only to find it blocked? That's where port mapping in your firewall comes in. Stick around as we show you how to open the right ports safely and keep your network secure. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we are focusing on firewall port mapping in Windows 11. Whether you are hosting a game server, running a web app, or just need smoother connections, setting up port rules is essential. We will guide you step by step so you can allow the traffic you need while keeping unwanted access out. Let's dive in. What is port mapping? Port mapping or port forwarding in Windows on a firewall is the process of directing traffic from an external port on a firewall to a specific internal IP address and port, allowing external devices to access services on a local network. On Windows 11, you can set up port mapping by creating a new inbound rule in Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security, selecting port as the rule type, specifying the protocol TCP or UDP and port number, and setting the action to allow the connection. How to set up port mapping on Windows 11? Preliminary check. Before you start port mapping, make sure you have administrator privileges to create firewall rules. If you have a router with its own firewall, you may also need to configure port forwarding on the router itself to allow external access. Only open ports that are necessary and be aware of the security risks involved. Method: how to port map on Windows 11. Open Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. To do that, search for Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security in the Start menu and open it. In the left-hand pane, click on Inbound Rules. In the right hand, Actions pane, click on New Rule. Select the rule type. To do that, choose Port and click Next. Specify the protocol and port. Select either TCP or UDP based on what your application requires. You may need to create a separate rule for each protocol. Choose specific local ports and enter the port number or a range of ports. Select Allow the connection and click Next. Apply the rule to network profiles. This rule should apply and click Next. Give the rule a descriptive name and an optional description. Click Finish to create the rule. And that's it. You have set up firewall port mapping on Windows 11. Now your apps and servers can connect without interruptions while your system stays protected. If this guide helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick, reliable tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.